Precision meets power, the ultimate hair clipper for barbers. Step up your grooming game with this high-performance hair clipper. Built for professionals who demand speed, power, and long-lasting performance. Whether you're in the shop or on the go, this clipper delivers flawless fades and sharp outlines every time. Specs that matter: brushless motor, 11,500 revolutions per minute for ultra-smooth, consistent cutting. Powerful output, 10W for strong, reliable performance. Long battery life, 2,000 mAh battery for up to 240 minutes of usage. Fast charging, fully charged in just 2.5 hours. Premium blades, steel blade with advanced DLC coating for durability and reduced friction. Charging base, charging cable, 7 guide combs. Why barbers love it. Professional grade cutting precision. Stays cool and sharp, even during heavy use. Built for speed, power, and longevity. Perfect for fades, tapers, and detailed lineups. This clipper is your go-to tool for delivering clean, confident cuts day after day. Drop a comment if you've tried this clipper or have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more barber gear breakdowns. #hair clipper, #barber tools, #fade game strong, #barber life, #clip review, #men's grooming, #haircut tools, #brushless motor, #barber gear, #DLC blade.
I'm out.